Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Not for World. Today video is about dividing polynomials. Subscribe the channel and stay with us. You know, polynomial is a finite expression with a positive whole number indices. I mentioned here some polynomials and not polynomial functions. Try to get an idea about polynomial and non-polynomial functions. These are some examples, then you can get some clear idea about the difference of these two functions. While these functions use in dividend, some divisor pattern I mentioned in here, x plus or minus p or ax plus or minus b. You can use these type of divisor for the dividing polynomial. And make a reminder, these p, a, b are constant. Let's see some example for these type of divisors. First one is x plus 2 and maybe x minus 3, or second type is 2x plus 5 or like 3x minus 7. These are some example. Okay, this is time for a example. Shall we take this example, x cube 2x squared minus 17x plus 6. You should divide it by x minus 3. Here divisor is x minus 3. By the considering of first term of dividend, you can put x squared for the first term of quotient. Then you need to multiply squared into x minus 3. Then you got x cube minus 3x squared. Then you need to subtract these two. When it subtract, you got 5x squared. You know how to subtract it. 2x squared minus 3x. After simplify these two minus mark, you got the plus mark, then 2x squared plus 3x squared. It is 5x squared. Then minus 70x come to the bottom, and you need to find the second term for the quotient related to 5 squared. Then you can put 5x. When multiply it by divisor, you can get 5x squared minus 15x. After subtract these two, you will get minus 2x. How it get? Minus 17x minus 15x. When simplify it, minus 17x plus 15x, then you get answer as minus 2x. You can put it here. Then final term is 6. Then you need to find the final term for the quotient. You can put what? It is minus 2. Then multiply minus 2 into x minus 3. Then you got minus 2x plus 6. You get remainder as 0. We divided a polynomial function by using long division method. So final answer, x cube plus 2x squared minus 17x plus 6 divided by x minus 3 equal to x squared plus 5x minus 2. We call it as quotient. I think that you get a super clear idea about the dividing polynomials. Let's move for an example. This is the example I bring you. In this case, divisor is 2x plus 1. It is a type of ax plus b. A equal 2 and b equal 1. Let's see how to divide this polynomial function. And you can write it down by decreasing order of powers, like 4x power 4 plus 0x cube minus 17x squared and 0x and 4. Then divisor is 2x plus 1. By considering a first term of dividend, you can put here what? 2x cube. Then you need to multiply it by divisor. You can get 4x to the power 4 and 2x cube. Then you need to subtract these two. You will get minus 2x cube. Then a minus 17 squared come to the bottom, and we need to find the second term of quotient. We can put as what? X squared to the second term of quotient. After you multiply it, you will get minus 2x cube minus x squared. Again you need to subtract these two. When subtract, you will get minus 16x squared. Remaining part is 0x. Then this is the third term for quotient. It is minus 8x. When you multiply these minus 8x by divisor, you will get minus 16x squared minus 8x. After you subtract again, you will get plus 8x plus 4. This is the last term for the quotient. It is number 4. When you multiply 4 into 2x plus 1, you get 8x plus 4. The remainder is then 0. I believe that you got the point. And shall we finalize this answer? The dividend is 4x power 4 minus 17x squared plus 4 equal to divisor is 2x plus 1 into quotient is 2x cube minus x squared minus 8x plus 4. Yeah, this is the final point. See you in the next video. Then thank you for watching and subscribe the channel and stay with us. Goodbye for now.